Good morning, my lovely crafty friends. It's 5:30 in the morning in New Zealand, but I can't wait. I got this parcel from Jim at Jim's Creative Space, and it's part of the opening of the Dephemerember 2025. We partnered up to send each other little bits and pieces for this annual event. And yesterday night, this parcel arrived. And so, I can't wait to open it with you and have a look at it. If you are not aware what Dephemerember is, I will link everything below. It's an annual event hosted by Barbara from 49 Dragonflies and Luise. So, without any further ado, I can't wait. I need to open this parcel. So if you are as curious as I am, stay with me. This is a beautiful video, I'm sure. So, carefully, I will open this parcel. It's such a big parcel. I'm so curious what will be in there. I need to be careful, not to, oops. Here, take the other side. Oops. As junk journalists, we can use everything, so I can even use the bag if I don't destroy the bag. So I try not to destroy the bag. So let me have a look. Oops. Yeah. Good. Oh, so many beautiful layers already. Oh, look. And a parcel inside. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Dephemerember, like snacks and stash. Feel your muse and your cravings. And here, this little tag on it. And this little, oh, I'm so excited. So excited. Look at this. Careful. Don't want to. Why is this so difficult to me? Here, there is. My first little item. The idea is that. Stop and smell the flowers. What a lovely thing. Stop and smell the flowers. And nice little thing here. And a card. Let me have a look. Look, just for you. Oh, what a lovely thing. Oh, look at this. How precious. How precious. Oh, snack and stash. I will read this. I will read this later. Oh, and an envelope. How beautiful is that? And this beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's like Christmas. Oh, gingerbread mini people. Oh, Jim. Oh, Jim. I said it before, Jim. You're a real gem. Oh, I need to tell you the story with Jim, because last year I participated in Dephemerember and people did this swapping, but because I'm in New Zealand, it's far away from everything. So when we have like this Dephemerember, if I send a parcel to somebody, it will arrive way after December and the other way around. So I couldn't participate in the swapping. But this year, Jem and I discovered our channels, and so I could ask her, and I was so lucky that she said, yes, let's do this. Look at this. Pleasures worth sharing. Oh, this is so beautiful. It is, oh my goodness. Look. A little, oh, look at this. Little hidden paper clip. And and here, this, look, gem, and this little bag. This is really a treasure. Oh my goodness. And here, little stems, little stems in this beautiful little envelope. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Little box. I think she made the box herself. My goodness. My goodness, my goodness. Jim, I'm so touched by this. This is, oh my goodness. This is, oh my. I'm really speechless. I'm speechless. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, this is, I'm at awe, Gem. My goodness. This is so precious. I'm blown away. I'm blown away by your generosity. I'm so amazed. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And some lace. Here. Oh, here even the bottom. What a precious box. I'm speechless for words. And here my creative juices are flowing. Look at this. Here, so much texture. I love working with textures. My. Like it's unbelievable. Like this is so many unique and beautiful things. That is. I don't know what to say. This is a zine. Oh my goodness. It's like, it must be really, really odd for me just to, but it's honestly, I don't know what to say. It's like, it's more precious than the other here. Gem. Yes, as I said, I am so speechless. And it continues like that. My goodness. And what is this little sword? Like it's the thing from a little sewing kit. It's little. I don't know what to say. And this leaves. This pumpkin, spinach. Look at this. I feel so humbled, and I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much, Jim. It's like let me have a look. Okay. Oh God. And here even the packaging. Look at this precious packaging and this wooden handmade. It's a five-foot. I put a ledger to her as well. Ledger pieces. Look at this. That must be way more than 50 items. Like, Jim, it's really. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Like, look at this. Anyway, look. This is unbelievable. Here, even more. Like, this is really. Like, my goodness, here. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. And yeah, oh, a postcard. And like all these unique little precious things. Oh, Gemma, I don't know how to say thank you. I feel so honored to do this with you. Really. And here, like this, I think that's from a recent workshop she might have done. Oh, this is, oh my goodness. Please go check out her videos. There's even like a little video, I think, about this. It's really gem. Yeah, it's so precious. All of it. So precious. And I can't wait to start creating with all of this and really watch your videos. I'm truly blessed to do this with you. Oh, look at this. Ah, memo. Like, it's really interesting. This texture, it's like stamped on I think it's a tea bag, but it's like really, can you see it's glossy? And here, hard. Masterboard. Here, look. Listen. Oh, here, it's even embossed. You see, little embossed. Here, so little embossed birdies. And here, look at her. Oh, Gem, so many things you already have done. Here, little booklet. Oh, it's honestly, I'm speechless. I'm speechless about your generosity. And look, obviously, like one of us can't count. Like this is definitely way more than 50 items. Like it's, oh, Gem. Here, napkin. Look at this. Oh, so precious. If it is not too late for you and you want to participate in Dephemerember, really see if you can find somebody who does this with you. Oh, another of these precious papers. This is, I am so touched by this. This is, I'm sure this is, yeah, it's handmade paper. Can you hear this? The feel is another beautiful. Oh, and all these beautifully handmade things. Oh, look at this. Ay. And here, look, it says, oh my goodness. And this is so wonderful. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait for Dephemerember. I can't wait. It's really, I feel so inspired. And here, look at these old writings. My goodness, that's old writing in German even. Oh, where did you get that from? It's really, and here, I'd like, my goodness. It gets, honestly, it gets better and better. I'm speechless for words. And here, look, little, tiny little beads. And this one, it's like these textures. I so wish I could really go through the textures with you. And like this old music sheet. Oh my God, Gem, it's, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Like, woo, yes, It's I'm not so easy to cry on a video, but it's honestly, I feel so moved by your generosity, and thank you. I'm honored to do this with you, and I wish you lots of fun, and I hope that my little parcel, like, that you enjoyed it. It's like it's nowhere anywhere close to this generosity, but I'm sending you lots of love and care, and thank you for being my Dephemerember 2025 buddy. I'm looking forward to doing this with you, and I'm looking forward to seeing all the other videos around Dephemerember. So, my friends, let's start into the Dephemerember. I think it's in, what's today? Is the 20th, I think, or 21st. So it's not long ago. Oh, no, it's not long to go. Okay. Take good care until then, and we see each other soon. Bye.